What is the Amazon bestseller rank, and how can you use the bestseller rank to help you make more money on Amazon right here in Australia? In this video, I'm going to show you. Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm helping you build your own business on Amazon here in Australia, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I will know that you want more money-making information just like this. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because we post brand new information just like this each and every day. If you've got any questions for me or comments, comment below and I'll answer it personally for you. With that being said, let's get into it. So bestseller rank is a ongoing moving ranking on Amazon of how well a product is selling, how many sales a product is making per hour. Okay, so it's updated every hour. You may hear people talk about seller rank as well. Those two things are interchangeable. Bestseller rank, seller rank, it's the same thing, okay, but we call it BSR for short. So it's a ongoing, moving, rolling, how many sales per hour your product is making relative to other products in that same category. Okay, so if you're selling in, so what's this? This is going to be in the scooter category, for instance, this particular scooter. Well, all the products in that category, scooters, get ranked, and the one making the most sales is the best seller and gets the bestseller rank in that specific category. But just to confuse you, there's also, so you can see here that scooters, which is called a node, and then scooters and equipment. Hopefully I can, highlight that. So the next level of that is scooters and equipment, so upper level. And then within that as well, that's all within the sports, fitness, and outdoors category as well, okay? So there's like 3 different categories within that, and your product will get, usually anyway, let's just check this one, BSR for each of those. I'll move that out of the way. Yeah, there you go. Look, so this is the bestseller rank is just here. It's always in this product information, additional information, blah, blah, blah. So it's number 9,665 in sports, fitness, and outdoors. Where is this? Amazon Australia. And it's number 63 in sport scooters. So this is the 63rd best-selling product in that sport scooter category. Okay, that's how it works. And clearly, well, not clearly. So the way it works is the lower the number, the higher the sale. So if this was number 1, for instance, in sports scooters, that would tell you this is the best selling product in that category, the best selling product in that category. So the lower the number, the higher the sales. That's the easiest way of thinking about it, okay? So that's on Amazon in Australia. So newsflash, I spoke to Kathy Lloyd, who's fantastic. She does an unbelievable amount of product discovery sessions with the members of the AOE, and she's a real kind of expert at that. She does way more than I do, for instance, product discovery sessions with members of the AOE, and she's kind of come together and put together some things with that, and she reckons that now anything up to 1,000 in Australia is actually going to make you some decent money. So any product up to 1,000 in bestseller rank will make you some decent money, okay? In the US of A, where are we? We're looking at up to 50,000. So this is the USA stunt scooters right here. That just says, you know, that clearly, let's have a look at the best number 1 here. Clearly, there's way more people shopping on this one. So if we come down, let's have a look where this BSR is. So this has got bestseller rank of number 3 in stunt scooters. So that would be making a shitload of sales. That's a technical term. Or number 16,799 in sports and outdoors. Also, that's going to be making a lot of sales. So how many sales? Well, there's a little tool here called FBA Toolkit, what should give us some insights into that. Unfortunately, it doesn't do Australia, which is a pain in the ass, but we can get a sense of at least what's going on. So let's find the category. Grocery, arts, craft, patio, sports, and outdoors. Here we go. So I'm just going to paste that in. 16,799. Go. So that's making on average 14 sales per day. Okay, 14 sales per day. That particular product is making. Okay, so that gives you some insights into potential market potential of a particular product, and you can use that, of course, to then look for products to sell yourself and look at what you should be ordering, expected volume, things like that. Okay, so it's a really cool thing to know and to understand about. So that's what bestseller rank is, and that's how you would use it to work out products to sell. Okay, super easy. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. There's over 2,500 of us here in Australia from all different walks of life, with sales on Amazon of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and see how we can help you, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au and you'll find out just how much we can help you grow your Amazon business. Till then, see you on the inside. Bye.